Would you like to learn English, Arabic, and Indonesian at the same time? Would you like to master the 3 languages at a time? This video is for you if your answer is yes. Welcome to EngVibes. Starting from this video, we will do some series comparing 3 languages, English, Arabic, and Indonesian. Our first lesson is about pronouns. Pronouns in English, pronouns in Arabic, and pronouns in Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. We will start in 3, 2, 1, go. So welcome back to our very first lesson, which will be about pronouns in 3 different languages. Pronouns in English, Arabic, and Indonesian. So the first one is I, you, we write number 1, you will know later. He, she, it, the third person singular, and then you, we write number 2, you will know soon. We, and they. I in Arabic is ana, in Indonesian is saya. There is aku, but it's less informal, less formal. You, anta, or anti. Anta is for masculine, anti for feminine. In Indonesian, it's kamu. He, huwa. Dia for man, lucky. She, hiya. Dia for P, which means perempuan. It, للأشياء. هو, hiya for things. Same thing in Indonesian for barang. You, here we have the plural. Antuma, 2, or antum, or antunna, the plural. Same thing, kamu, or there's another one which is kalian. Indonesian friends, please correct me if I'm wrong, okay? We, nahnu, kita, and they, we have 2, hum, or hunna. Hum for masculine, hunna for feminine. In English, we have mereka. In Indonesian, I mean. That's it. If you liked it, this is our channel, EngVibes at Vive Moi 27. So let's remember, I, ana, saya, you, anta or anti, kamu, he, huwa, dia. Oh, I forgot to separate, Oh yeah, pronouns in English, in Arabic, they are called al-dhamair, and in Indonesian language, they are called kata ganti. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? So here is quick reminder. I, ana, saya. You, singular, anta, anti, kamu. He, huwa, dia. She, hiya, dia. It for things, للأشياء. In Indonesian, it's barang. You for plural, antuma, antum, kamu, kalian. We, nahnu, kita. They, hum, hunna, mereka. And here we come to the end of today's video. We really hope it would be of great use for you in learning and mastering the 3 languages, English, Arabic, or Indonesian. If you have any questions or any comments, don't hesitate to leave them here. We are always happy to hear from you. If you like this video, again, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you are new. And join us in our journey to learn English, Arabic, and Indonesian. Keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes.